Hi, this is Dave. Welcome to SkyVector. This video will show you around the map viewer and introduce you to some of our new features. Using the mouse, you can click and drag the map. You can double-click to center and zoom the map at the same time. You can also zoom in and out using the controls here. And you can also zoom using your mouse wheel. These icons are weather stations. You can hover over them to read the METARs and TAFs. We've added a little aging information telling you how old the METAR is in minutes. Beware that the TAF may be up to 6 hours older than a METAR. If you want to turn off the weather stations, you can uncheck this box here and they'll declutter. These links up here take you to other charts that offer coverage at your existing location. They keep you centered on your existing location and just change the chart you're looking at. As you move around the map, those of course will change. The easiest way to get around is to use this Go box up here in the upper left. You can enter in any identifier and be taken there. It's a very fast way to get where you want to go. I really want to go there. Okay. Another fun way to get around SkyVector is using this chart selector tool. You get to it by hovering over the charts globe. This brings up a map view. You can select what kind of chart you want to look at. And you can click to go to that chart. The tool does its best to take you to the actual location you clicked on. So for example, Lake Tahoe or San Francisco. Obviously there's not a lot of precision there, but it gets you pretty close. SkyVector also has some basic flight planning features. You can right click on anything, hit plan, and that adds that point as a waypoint to your flight plan. The first time you do that, it invokes the flight plan dialog here. You're going to enter another flight plan waypoint right there. You can also add a waypoint by typing it in and hitting enter if that's easier for you. You can also click on these waypoints in the flight plan dialog to be taken or centered exactly on them. In this flight plan here by San Francisco, we've got an airspace issue we need to resolve. As you can see from here to here, we're going to be in Class Bravo airspace, and that's a difficult clearance to get, so we're just going to avoid it. I'm going to drag the line and drop it here, and when you let go, it lets you create a waypoint there. You can also drop it on an object. In this case, it's a VFR reporting point, but that's not quite what I want. I want to be right there. Okay, looks good. You can see we're really close to this alert area here, and we're also running out of maps. So I'm going to switch to the San Francisco sectional. I'm going to drag this line away from this alert area just a little bit. Okay, and you can see we're going through Napa's Class D here, so we'll need to talk to them and get permission, clearance to go through there. But they're really friendly. Must be something they drink. As you can see, when you right-click on an airport, you often get a link here, and this link takes you to the airport information page for that airport, even the little ones. You also have those links here in your flight plan. So let's go check out our destination airport. The first thing here is the airport and facility directory. You hover over this and it expands so you can read it. This is an image taken out of the PDFs that the FAA produces. You can click on it to actually load the PDF, the original PDF. Here it is, Yolo County. Down at the bottom here, you have your currency data for this PDF. All the data you could ever want and more. And at the bottom, we have the terminal procedures publications in PDF form. So you can load these plates if you need. The currency data is always in the side of these. On the side here, you have airport images. This was submitted by a user. You can click on it to blow it up, and there's an original link here. You click on that to view it really big. I want to give a special thank you to AirMel, user who contributed this one. And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Dave, what if my airport does not have an airport image? Well, it's a very good question. What you need to do in that case is click right here. It says Add New Photo, log in or create an account, and then upload a new photo. And that'll solve that problem. If this flight plan dialog is in your way, you can hit X and it goes away. That does not delete your flight plan. If you want to do that, you can hit clear. One last feature I want to leave you with. This is sort of a power feature that some users I'm sure will find handy. If you just want to get quickly to an airport information page, you can type in an identifier and hit Shift enter and be taken straight there. This is going to be nice for people who head to SkyVector specifically looking for an approach plate, for example, and they know just where they want to go. One caveat I want to explain. If there is an airport and a VOR that share an ID, the airport needs to have the K, so it knows what you're talking about. And this, of course, is necessary for the shift enter trick also. So if you want to use that shortcut trick to get straight to the airport pages, and you suspect there might be a VOR with the same identifier, just go ahead and put the K there to be sure to be taken straight to it. All right, that's all I've got for now. I hope you enjoy the site. If you have any comments and feedback, you can go to the forums and speak your mind, and I promise I'll be polite when I answer you, mostly. All right, have a nice day.